Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right to the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. First, on your computer, open up your Google Chrome or your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after that, on the search bar, click over there and type in facebook.com like this and hit enter. And after that, enter your email and password to log into your Facebook account first, like this. And just log in. And after that, you'll be landed on the home page like this. Now, to delete your account, simply tap on the down arrow icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that, you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. And you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. Tap over there, click over there, and again click on settings. Now you can see your Facebook information option available over here. Click over there, and after that you will be landed on this page, and scroll down and you can see the deactivation and deletion page available over here. Tap on view like this, and you will be landed on this page. Select whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. If you want to delete it, click on delete like this and continue to account deletion. And you can see there's a web page connect to here. And after all these things, if you want to download your info, simply click on download info. And if you want to transfer a copy of information, transfer it, because after this your account will be deleted. And now after doing that, click on delete account over here and your account will be deleted. But for now, I will not be deleting this account. You will be required to enter your password on the next phase, and your Facebook account will be deleted. And there, guys, this is how you delete your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.